Consulting firm McKinsey surveyed over 1,500 employees and executives from companies worldwide in April 2023. A third said their companies already regularly use generative AI for at least one task. Top tasks included drafting or summarizing documents, identifying trends, and communicating with customers via chatbots. But marketing and sales was the number one task, so I want to see what all the fuss is about.
I think AI-powered marketing will cross that chasm, where more and more companies will be able to actually do emotional storytelling and meaningful engagement.
Abhay Parasnis, Adobe's former chief technology officer, founded Typeface in 2022, a generative AI tool for content creation. Dozens of companies offer AI marketing services, but Typeface is one of the few that's valued at $1 billion. Rather than asking a public platform like OpenAI to make material, Typeface learns your specific brand and tone. This client will have uploaded the picture of their perfume bottle.
Exactly, you got it.
So we're going to add a prompt.
And then if I hit generate, the AI is going to preserve your product.
But it's going to be able to change everything else.
Change everything else. And the beauty of this, you don't have any cost.
Whereas once upon a time, this would have been a very long process with multiple people involved. As marketers begin engaging with AI, how can customers be sure they're buying what they see?
If you notice, one of the things we put there is...
Oh, yeah. There's a little line to let people know it was generated with AI. But does the company have to include that, or can they take that out?
I think each business will probably make that choice.